Hello everyone, today, let's talk about AnyViewer, your ultimate all-in-one remote access and control solution, developed by the trusted experts at AnyViewer. In today's world, where remote work, gaming, and instant support are the new normal, you need a remote access tool that's fast, secure, and easy for everyone, individuals, teams, and enterprises. With AnyViewer, you can connect anytime, anywhere, across Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android. Whether you want to access your work laptop, gaming PC, or manage your company's devices remotely, AnyViewer is built to fit your needs. For individuals, you can easily connect to your personal devices, transfer files, and even enjoy remote gaming with high speed and ultra-high image quality. For businesses, AnyViewer offers a professional environment for remote work and its support. You get powerful features like mass deployment, team device management, and role-based permission control, all designed to keep your operations secure and efficient. Now, let's quickly look at the plans. Free plan, perfect for basic users. You get remote access with essential features. Professional plan, best for single users who need high-speed file transfer, privacy mode, and ultra-high quality images. Team plan, ideal for small teams. It supports multiple users, team device management, and more advanced features. Enterprise plan, designed for large organizations, offering unlimited screen walls, mass deployment, group management, and full permission control. No matter the plan, you always enjoy high connection speeds, mobile support, adaptive screen performance, and strong security like two-factor authentication and privacy mode. And the best part, you get permanent free technical support and a 15-day unconditional money-back guarantee. That means you can try AnyViewer completely risk-free. Let's take a closer look at the AnyViewer pricing plans, so you can choose the one that's right for you. First, we have the free plan. This plan is perfect for beginners or anyone who needs basic remote access. It includes one licensed user, allows you to log into 3 devices, and supports up to 10 connected devices. You get to channels and to simultaneous sessions. Despite being free, it still includes many powerful features like remote file transfer, remote mouse and keyboard control, remote sound, and adaptive screen performance. If you're looking for a no-cost solution to get started, the free plan is an excellent choice. Next is the professional plan, which is best suited for single users who need a faster and more secure experience. It also supports one licensed user, but now you can log into up to 10 devices and support up to 100 connected devices. You'll get unlimited channels and unlimited simultaneous sessions. Plus, you'll enjoy high-speed file transfers, access in privacy mode, and ultra-high image quality for an even better remote experience. The professional plan is very affordable, costing just $42.96 per year, which breaks down to about $3.58 per month. Finally, there's the enterprise plan, which is built for larger businesses and organizations. It supports 30 licensed users, 100 login devices, and up to 300 connected devices. You'll enjoy unlimited screen walls, unlimited simultaneous sessions, and unlimited deployed team devices. Plus, it includes powerful business features like mass deployment using MSI files, the ability to create groups for computers, and full role-based permission management. The enterprise plan is offered at $537.30 for 6 years, which is only about $7.45 per month, a fantastic deal for companies needing full control and scalability. No matter which plan you choose, AnyViewer guarantees high-speed connections, strong security features like two-factor authentication and privacy mode, support for mobile devices, and permanent free technical support. Plus, you can try it completely risk-free thanks to their 15-day unconditional money-back guarantee. So, if you're ready to experience the future of remote access, download AnyViewer today and unlock secure, easy, and powerful remote control from anywhere. Now, let's see how to download and install AnyViewer. It's super simple and quick. First, open your web browser and go to the official AnyViewer website. Once you're on the homepage, click the big, free download button, or you can choose your preferred plan if you want to upgrade. For this example, I'll be selecting the free plan. Your download will start automatically. Depending on your internet speed, it should only take a few seconds. Once the download finishes, open the downloaded file. A setup window will pop up. Don't worry, it's quick and easy. Just click Install Now to start the installation process. You can also customize the installation path if you want, but for most people, the default settings work perfectly fine. The installation process takes less than a minute, so you'll be ready to go in no time. Once installed, Open the AnyViewer app. Now, you can either use it as a guest for quick connections, or you can register a free account to unlock more features, like device management and faster access. If you already have an account, simply log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, click Sign Up, fill in your email and password, and you'll be all set. Now, if you have a license code, for example, from the professional plan, here's how to register it. Open AnyViewer and click on your profile, or the settings icon. Look for an option that says, Enter License Code, or Register Code. Enter your license code in the space provided and click Activate. That's it. You're now fully set up with AnyViewer, ready to use it for remote work, remote gaming, or providing remote support, anytime, anywhere. And that's it. You're ready to get started with AnyViewer. Enjoy the ease and power of remote access, all at your fingertips.